Live day trading is back on the channel. Sorry I've been gone for a while, but here's why. Hey buddy!
There
Lucky! Someone said he got lucky and looks like his mom.
Oh, I don't think he looks like me at all. I think he looks just like Trey.
I never answer to no, man, I still go, 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 go.
Obviously, SPY's been strong lately. SPY's gapping up. If we get a chance to buy a dip, I'm definitely not going to complain about it. 379.9, we get long. I will just put the order out. 379.91, the order's out at. 10 cents below the red line, we get long. Now we just see if we get filled. We know where we're supposed to buy, and we're filled. There we go. 387.91, we are long. 10 cents below the red line. If this looks a little bit different, I was just explaining this to Twitch, but I gotta repeat myself for YouTube. If this looks a little bit different, the SPY ATR, so the average true range on SPY, is now below 8 on the daily. That means the volatility is down, and with my strategy is coded to auto-adjust to that volatility. So now the price channel is the lowest of the last 5 bars and the highest of the last 5 bars. Whereas before, when the ATR was over 8, we were looking at the highest of the last 8 and the lowest of the last 8. So, you know, when volatility on SPY comes down, the strategy tightens up. It doesn't look for as volatile moves, of course, because SPY is not as volatile. So that's one nice thing. I actually haven't had a chance to talk about that yet with my strategy, because for the last freaking 3-4 months, the ATR has been above 8 on SPY, so I haven't had a chance to display this yet. Anyway, we're in a trade and we're up 15 bucks. Obviously, we sell above the green line. Highest point of the last 5 bars, remember? Nice bounce immediately, though. Nice, nice, nice. We're up 25 bucks. Why is my P&L in the day not updating? Because I haven't opened that chart in a while. There we go. Oh, it's just showing PL open. It's so hard. It's so hard to keep the right thing in frame there. Whatever. It's the first trade of the day, so you guys can see it there. Bigger at the bottom now. Oh, it has to stay open to adjust. There, I'll keep it open. Is it working? Yeah, it's working now. Okay. Nice, nice. Push, push. SPY's been strong lately, and it gapped up. We got a chance to buy a dip. Definitely passes the eye test, right? SPY's been strong recently. It gapped up. We buy the first dip. Looks nice. Looks fine to me. If it gets up close to this green line, I'll sell. Starting to show a little weakness here, unfortunately. It's fine. Stocks don't go straight up or straight down. Hopefully this wasn't just the bounce before the rest of the down move, but we'll see, we'll see. We'll get out where we're supposed to get out. AMC to the moon. No way AMC is going again. Where's my memers at? Where's my apes? Where's my apes? AMC is up 4.5% this morning. Where's the apes? Show yourself in the YouTube comments. I know you're here. I root for the apes. I think it's dumb to hold a stock to feel like you're a part of some big movement. I think it's dumb, but I still root for you guys. I hope you guys make money, especially if you watch me. Anybody that watches my content know I'm cheering for you. I cheer for my community to make money always. I know not everybody can make money in the stock market, but I cheer for my community. Obviously, you guys are watching me. Hopefully, I can help you make money along the way. Nice push. We're up 30 bucks. I'm watching this thing for a sell. Honestly, this flat as it's being, I'm kind of watching this for a sell. We're getting to that point where the risk reward's not very good. Like where we want 20 more cents up. And it's this flat. It's getting to the point where I might just sell. Oh, okay. Okay. It's acting weak again. You know what I'm taking? I'm taking here. I don't love the way it's moving, and it's close enough. Now the sell condition's also coming down, so it's close enough. $31. You might be able to yell at me for that. You might be able to yell at me for selling too close or selling too early. I might be able to yell at myself for that, honestly. But it starts to get... I got burned that one time. That one time I got burned where it was literally 3 cents away from touching my sell condition, and so I didn't sell, and then I ended up losing like 150 bucks in that trade. Ever since then, I've been more like, okay, is the risk reward really worth it? Like, okay, yes, maybe I can make $7-8 more in this trade, or maybe it rolls and I lose $150 in this trade. It's like, is it really worth it if I'm up 30 bucks? You know, let me just take the 30 bucks and be happy. This is a long candle, but I'm not taking it. Let's see if I'm wrong. Let's see if I can get laughed at here. You guys might get a chance to laugh at me. But I'm not taking this. After just this flat, RSI this high for this long, just flat, I don't like it long. I would have just gotten long at 388.17. I'd be long. So I would be long from here if I was just blindly trading the strategy. Let's see if you guys get a chance to laugh at me or not. That's fine. I'll take being laughed at. I really won't care if this trade goes up. I don't like it. It doesn't look good to me. Oops, bye. Ooh. My no trade looks really smart right now, doesn't it? It's a good eye test there. Good eye test. This is where we would have gotten long. I mean, this is where the system is in long, right? Yeah, you can see here. This is where the system is in long, 388.17. I didn't take the trade because it didn't pass my eye test. It had no directional advantage, right? It's just sideways trending after a gap up. Doesn't look like something I want to long, right? So we didn't take it, and it was right. It was a correct call. Good job, Trey. Pat myself on the back for that one. Alrighty, so that is the trade from the day, and it is the only trade from the day. I've got a kid now, as you guys saw in the intro. Got a lot to do, got a lot of responsibilities, got to run around to some appointments today, but we did at least get one nice trade in, kind of like the only sharp move on SPY all day, and we were able to capture it, right? Like the only, like, okay, buy a dip, nice rip back up. SPY just once again, I mean, we talked about this during the trade, but the volatility is down. SPY's ATR, its average true range, which is a true measure of volatility. It's the range of the candles over the last 14 candles is coming down. SPY is just less volatile. As SPY gets less volatile, there's less good trade opportunities, right? There's less opportunities where the reward is worth the risk. Like the trade I ended up not taking, it did end up being a losing trade. And just even after that, there was actually like 1 or 2 more setups here. I'll show you the actual strategy. 1 or 2 more setups, like this was the one that lost that I didn't take. And then this short, and then this short. Yes, they both won, but it's like they made it made 50 cents, 60 cents in this trade, and it made 40 cents in this trade. Is that really worth it when SPY could have gone here? And I wouldn't have gotten stopped out until probably, a 2-3 point move above it. Is it really worth it? It's hard trading this strategy when the range is this tight, right? Is the risk reward really there? Something we'll have to look into in the future. Something we'll continue to test. I mean, I have tested the strategy. I know it works still, even in low volatile areas, but it's like, does it work as well? Is it even worth trading like this in low volatile areas? If SPY, SPY continues to grind up, volatility continues to come down, it might be a time to bring back swing trading. We actually talked about this in a video recently. If SPY, isn't this volatile, you need volatility to trade. And if the volatility is not there intraday, like if it's just kind of sideways like this, a lot of intradays, which have been recently, then maybe it's time to start bringing back some swing trades. I haven't taken a swing trade since February because the markets got super volatile. It's really hard to swing trade a volatile market, whereas it's pretty easy to day trade a volatile market. So we moved, more to day trading instead. But maybe as it starts to calm down here, we start to look to take some more swing trades, get back into the swing trade strategy, which is largely gap close off earnings. I've made videos about it before, and I'll make videos in the future if we do go that direction. So hopefully you guys are excited about that. At the end of the day, what's it about? Bringing in money. Let's find the best way to bring in money. Yes, we made money today, but like 31 bucks. I'm not going to complain about it, but it's nothing to write home about either. So if there's opportunity to make more money, we need to be seeking those out, right? So that's my idea for the future moving forward if SPY continues like this. Who freaking knows though? I mean, for all I know, we are still in a harsh downtrend. For all I know, we reject this 390, which is a big previous support, which has become resistance. For all I know, we reject this, hard roll back over, continue this trend, and we're rolling over for a couple more months, whereas SPY stays volatile and we keep day trading. We'll have to see what happens, but just letting you guys know the thoughts as they come into my head here a little bit. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button if you did. It takes you half a second, and it really does help. If you're new around here, hit the red subscribe button as I post these videos every single day. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and sign out of this video. I will catch you all in the next one.